It's third down.
Yeah, these are the things that you just can't coach when you've got a guy like Jaden Daniels and there's others around the league. You mentioned earlier Lamar Jackson, what he was able to do in yesterday's game against the Cowboys, and just not able to.
What you doing?
Number 29.
Jesus Christ.
Automatic. First down.
That's Cam Taylor-Britt. The flag was laying on.
She loves this tunnel.
On this near side.
You have to get her one.
Still a third down. And there's the hands to the face. And remember, it was Cam Taylor-Britt who was targeted once in the first half.
What you doing in
Gave
there,
up the
huh?
55-yarder to McLaurin, who said this week they don't make him do a lot.
He's beating it up.
They keep it really simple for him. Nice college offense. Kingsbury's the OC.
She's a wild child. She a wild child. She a wild child. Where you going?
Eckler takes it down inside the 10 for 3.
Boom.
This possession right here
Here she
is
is.
huge for Cincinnati. Obviously, a ton of time
She
left in
flipped
this
it
game.
over.
But we heard Zach Taylor at the half. 3
She was tearing
possessions,
it up.
not counting the kneel down at the end. 3 touchdowns. Now they get the ball to open up this third quarter, and they're down here. I mean, they come away with another touchdown. I don't want to say the Bengals can't recover from it, but it's going to be a big dagger.
Eckler looks like he's got an issue over on the sideline now, taking his helmet off. 2nd and 7.
You gonna get her sassy pants? Sassy pants gonna get her?
Daniels end zone. He's got his man, but short of the touchdown. It sets up 1st and goal as Noah
Let's
Brown
see.
makes the grab.